In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now select security and location. Here you have to go a bit lower and select SIM card lock. Here click on change SIM PIN and at first enter the old PIN and then provide your device with a new one. Tap on OK to confirm and then re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on OK. Okay, so it doesn't match. Let me retry it. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN changed successfully. So that would be all. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.